And you think they're using the drugs to feminize men? Or?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. Because
you also say masculize the women too. So you
absolutely. Absolutely. Marijuana, this enhanced marijuana, feminizes the black man and masculinizes the black woman. Because the THC, it does so many things. The high potency THC from the plant itself, from the weed itself, it lowers the testosterone. Understand what that means. We have a wrong conception, DJ Envy, of testosterone. Mm-hmm. Testosterone ain't a libido. It's a libido, it ain't a sex hormone. Testosterone is testosterone with another biochemical, serotonin. These two are the biochemical basis of a man's drive for power. Mm-hmm. High THC is the signature of dominant men. Not high THC. High testosterone is the signature and prerequisite for a man's drive for power. And be clear, masculinity is not about a man's sex drive. Masculinity is about a man's power drive. Testosterone is a biochemical source of a man's drive for power. It also is testosterone. It's the chemical scalpel that literally sculpts the masculinity of the male fetus, the body, and the brain. You lower testosterone, the body will, in the fetus, it will default to a feminized form. You lower the testosterone in a gestating male fetus, his body will default to a feminine form. So the THC lowers testosterone, but when you smoke it, an additive happens, and this is what's relevant to sisters. The THC lowers testosterone, therefore in many ways feminizing males. Mm-hmm. But when you light that joint, the smoke produces particular chemicals, specifically a set of chemicals called phenols. Phenols are estrogen chemicals. Estrogen, the female hormone, is bad for men and it's bad for women. Now, all men have a natural amount of the female hormone estrogen, just like all women have a natural amount of the male hormone testosterone. But they're in perfect balance. When you expose males to excess estrogen, that feminizes males. When you expose females to excess estrogen, it masculinizes females. And so the weed, the joint itself, the plant, the cannabis in there with this THC, it's lowering our testosterone, but the smoke produced from the fire has these chemicals that are estrogens in the body. So that estrogen is adding feminization to the male, but it's masculinizing the female.